I'm going to be reviewing this Wintec 300 milliliter diffuser. So first of all, I really like this dark wood. And just so you know, I do have water in here. In fact, I ran it for an hour and this was full. And you can see where, well, I'm not sure if you can tell where the line is in the video. But there, okay, there's the line. So that was after an hour. It had that much left. This is the fill line. So it's bigger than a lot of them that I've had before. It'll run up to 10 hours continuously, which that's pretty stinking good. That's on a low setting, or 6 hours on high. So down here are two buttons. There's a light button that turns on the light, and there's a mist button. So buttons. And when you hold it, it's got the 1 beep and the 2 beep setting, and that will determine the mist that comes out. Let's see if I can change my camera angle a little so you can see the mist better. I don't know if that helped. Here. So I'm still on 1, if you can. Okay. Let me find a better way to do this. So if you are looking, there's the green button. It's on 1 hour, 3 hour, 6 hour, on. So on is the continuous setting that will run until it's dry. And then there's the mist. This is the low setting, so 2 beeps is the low setting. You can see the mist is a little lighter. Let's try it, I'll show you again. There's 1. Wait a minute for it to beef up. Yep, there's 1, and then 2 is the low setting. One thing I really like about this is that it's the colors. A lot of them, I feel like the coloring makes them look cheap. But in this one, the lights they're muted, so it's not per se the focus as much as the focus is that it's a little more classy, I think. And it doesn't have that plasticky look that a lot of them have. It runs well and works great in my house, and I really hope you enjoy this diffuser.